Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to my super messy kitchen. So today we are going to clean it. It actually is in 3 separate parts. So it is 12. We have somewhere to be at 1 o'clock. So in less than 50 minutes, we need to do as much as we can. I was probably a little bit delusional to think that we we're going to get it all done, but anyway. So as per usual, all the cupboard doors are open. I've shut the door to my office because no one needs to see that. And we have bags of shopping that's on the floor, trying to do stockpile. And we have a whole lot of mess here, dishwasher that needs to get emptied, and just the general stuff. It looks worse than what it is. It actually didn't take that long to clean everything. It just is kind of big stuff. So Mother's Day, I was blessed that I didn't have to do anything. So everyone tidied the kitchen. And so this is a combination of some leftover stuff after Mother's Day, and then Monday, and then, Tuesday morning. So I'm just doing some tidying up and moving some stuff around. I think, as I said, it just looks messier than what it is because everything's just here, there and everywhere. I was trying to do a bit of a pantry clean out and organise, but I need to film that separately. So I have products that kind of just got moved around. Some stuff was going into bags so I could sort out for products and things to get sort of organized piles, but it's just not going to work that way. So for now, and so it looks good, we're pretty much just going to shove everything in some sort of hole and find it. And then this way, when we do the pantry clean out, it's going to look even more impressive with how messy it is, because there's just going to be stuff everywhere. As you can see, the carpet is still in the kitchen. I put this down for a little bit of soundproofing when I was doing the media the other week, and it stayed here because we actually are really enjoying it being underfoot. It's not really part of the main walk area for food, so it's going to get it's staying pretty clean for now. Over near like the stove and the sink is more where all the food and the mess action happens. So I will still clean the carpet though, but for now it's okay. I need to give it a bit of a vacuum though as well. So I'm just putting away all the odds and ends, and I tend to walk around the kitchen a lot. I kind of pick up 1 or 2 things and then put them away, and then pick up another 1 or 2 things and then put them away. So I certainly get my steps up when I'm walking around. There's various bits of shopping in here which you keep seeing me shake in front of the camera. In slow motion it would have made more sense. There was like some things for the laundry and everything else in here from the last couple of Coles shops that you saw. Had to refill the sauce bottle, that's always important. And then just putting away random stuff, Tupperware, other bits and pieces, and the rubbish. So enjoy, and I'll be back soon. So it took us about half an hour to clean this side of the room, managed to shut all the cupboard doors. And as pretty as that one side of the kitchen looked, here's where the real mess is. So many people on Instagram lately have been going, look at my picture perfect room. And then they'll spin the camera around to show you the disaster of the mess in the corner. I'm like, I so get it, absolutely. So we're reloading the dishwasher. We emptied the first lot out and we're reloading this one, and then we're going to turn it on and it can run while I'm at Zumba. So then when I come home tonight, I can unload it and then load stuff in there again. I normally only do one load every other day, but there's just so much to do and it's just easier sometimes putting the bigger stuff in there. So it's 1:45 and I need to get to Zumba. I actually need to get changed, so we're going to go and we'll see you when we get back. Okay, 30-second dance party in the kitchen. It is now nighttime and we need to get some more stuff done before we get to bed. I didn't get any time to clean in between the afternoon Zumba and the night Zumba, except I did have half an hour home to cook dinner and that was it. And then I was trying to edit last night's YouTube video. I leave everything to the last minute, what can I say? So yeah, I had to go pick up hubby from work. Had an issue with his bike. I talk more about that in the vlog. So basically I do everything really late at night anyway, so it doesn't faze me. So I've washed all the bare basic dishes that were there. We ended up unloading the wash that did earlier today, and I've reloaded the dishwasher ready to turn on tomorrow because I run it during the day. When we have power, we have solar panels, it's just a little bit easier that way. I also had to clean out the filter and then just clean around some of the edges, which is pretty standard practice anyway, so pretty happy with that. So I'm really happy. There's still a few bits and pieces doing, but look, I have bench space and that is pretty much always the goal, to make it at least as functionable as possible. Still lots of little bits and pieces to do, but hey, that could be a completely new video because I know that the cleaning people really enjoyed those videos. So let's save it and let's have a little 30-second dance party because we are legends. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.